Welcome to tutorial. So today we'll guide you how to create a page for your uh, company or educational institute. Simply log in and then click on work and scroll down, and here you can see create a company page. Now click on this. Here you can see there is a three option you can create. First is a page for your company, small, medium and large business. Showcase page, sub page associated with an exit page. Okay, and third one is educational institute, school and universities. So which math page you want to create? So today we will create a company page. Both three uh, is also similar. So let's type our company names. Our example, our company name is Loud Updates. So once you type them name, the username automatically create. You can customize this username if it's available, and it's will green, but if it's not available, then it show unavailable. So type your company website and then choose your industry. So which industry you are. So I am in computer gaming, so I just type this. And then organization type, how much employees you have. So currently if you have one, if you have 10, so you can add this. In future you can add this setting. So organization type, so once you select the organization type and then select logo. Now it's uh, upload your logo and then next tab is type tagline. So I am just copying this tagline from my website. You can type a tagline and then click on verify that I am authorized represented. So that's it, and now click on create a page, and now click on create a page, and our page is created. So here you can see our page is created. So you can add a description, location, grow your follower. Now type add a description for your visitor to know more about your page or company. So I just type this, and then so phone number, year founded, you can add year. So I just type it was 2020, and specialties up to 20. You can add specialties what you have specialties. So now we just saved it and close, and you can post a new thing now. So we are not posting anything. So you can invite your followers from your main profile, so then they can follow your company page. So our company page is ready to share with other people and post on our uh, page and invite our employees, and you can do anything because our page is almost ready. So you can also add more thing. Here you can see here is a lots of other things available. You can add and do anything. So LinkedIn provide lots of things. So from here edit page, you can add uh, header, and you can post in photos, videos, and so you can that's it. So that's all about how to create a page on LinkedIn. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you have any question, leave in comment section, we will reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.